الشهادة in Arabic. Then after that we translate what we said. Say أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. Now we're going to translate what you in English to what you have said in Arabic. Okay, now see. I bear witness. There's no one worthy of worship but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad he is the messenger of Allah. And I bear witness that Jesus he is a messenger of Allah. And I bear witness and testify that Allah Almighty, the Creator, has no son, nor daughter, nor father, nor family. Congratulations.